Hi, and thanks for watching. Today's topic is going to be buying and holding versus flipping and selling. So let's talk about the pros and cons of each. So let's start with flipping houses. So basically, what is flipping houses? Flipping houses is where you buy a property, you aim to fix it up, and you want to sell it for profit. Some of the pros are quick profits. So quick profits can come between 3 to 6 months, or maybe even less, or sometimes even a little bit longer. Hands-on involvement. You get to hammer, you get to nail, you get to either pick somebody else to do it, but you have more hands-on involvement. Market flexibility is another pro. If the market is good, then you can grossly benefit from that because more than likely you'll have a quick sale from that. Higher upfront costs, renovations, taxes, maintenance, insurance, all of those upfront costs can be costly and can be considered to be a con. Market dependency, of course, if the market is not great, then of course you're going to have issues with selling the property possibly. Managing a flip takes a lot of time, coordination, and hands-on. And of course, dealing with unexpected issues is always a negative, but it's part of flipping houses. And so with that, you're going to always have pros and cons with anything that you do. So just keep those things in mind. So let's talk about what buy and hold is. Buy and hold is when you purchase a property with the view of keeping the property for an extended period of time. One of the pros is that you have to actually deal with tenants. So sometimes that can actually be pretty frustrating, especially if they're not paying timely. If there's plenty of repairs that you're going to actually have to make and improvements to the property. So it can become pretty costly after a while. Let's talk about some of the pros of buying and holding. Buying and holding can actually have a steady cash flow. So whenever you are renting out properties, then you have that steady income coming in as long as your properties are renting out. Another pro is appreciation. Properties can appreciate or increase value over time, which is always a plus. Tax benefits. Many investors enjoy the tax benefits of owning properties because you can actually write them off, especially improvements that you've made to the properties. That also includes mortgage interest and property taxes. So some of the cons of holding a property is long-term commitments. Because you're holding it for so long, you'll have an extended period of time that you're going to actually have maintenance, tenants that you're going to have to deal with. Market cycles is the next con. The real estate market can be so up and down, and because of that, the market fluctuates quite a bit. Down payments and continual maintenance may cause you to see a slower return in your money based on the amount of money that may be going out. You may have more money going out in the beginning rather than coming in on the back end. So which strategy is best for you? It just depends on what your needs and your resources are. If you enjoy a quick turnaround and something short, fast, and sweet, then of course, flipping is best for you. If you enjoy a longer return, then of course, buying and holding may actually be better for you, or both. So it just depends on what your desires are, what your needs and your resources are. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Happy flipping, happy buying and holding. Thanks for watching.